Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshis. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Scorpio at yung mga bago po natin viewers. So, ito po yung message na na-pick up po natin ngayon para sa iyo, Scorpio. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. And then getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. And trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Bottom niya is express your love. Okay, so Scorpio, sinasabi dito na tama na ikalimutan mo na yung ex mo, okay? Kung hindi mo siya, isabihin yung matagal mo na siyang, nag-hold tight ka, no? Basically, hindi mo siya makalimutan. Kahit wala na kayo, matagal na kayong hiwalay. Andun pa rin siya sa memory mo o sa puso mo. Ang sinasabi dito ni Angel at ni God is, kalimutan mo na, release mo na. This is the time for you to move forward, leave the past behind, no? Forget about it and you move forward. Kasi, ang sinasabi dito na you will meet somebody that you need to get to know. Kailangan mo siyang makilala pa. Kasi meron ang dadating sa buhay mo ngayon na nangangailangan ng iyong atensyon. At yung oras mo, no? Para to get to know them or your person na yon, he or she. At ganun din siya sa'yo, no? Para mas makilala ka pa niya. In other words, you need to spend time with this person, have a date, and para, you get to know kung perfect kayo for each other. And just trust, no? Trust the process, sabi nga nila. Magtiwala ka sa Diyos na ito yung ginadala ka sa tamang daan, no? Sa tamang tao. O magtiwala ka na ito yung taong dadating ngayon ay yung tama na para sa'yo. Okay? So, tignan natin sa tarot kung ito kung anong message yung gusto niyang sabihin para sa'yo, Scorpio. We have the 5 of Wands, the 2 of Swords, the 4 of Cups, the 7 of Wands, and the Ace of Wands. Bottom na is the 10 of Cups. Okay, Scorpio, ang gusto mo talaga is to be happy. Well, everybody does. Hindi ito masama. Maging masaya ka dun sa person mo at ganun din yung person mo sa'yo. At hindi lang yun, no? 10 and 10, wow. The best cards. 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. Hindi ka lang masaya kung hindi financially fulfilled ka pa dito sa tao na to. In other words, you are so secure pagdating sa financials at saka sa lahat ng bagay, no? Anything that is material, sigurado ka dito. Yun yung gusto mo. And with the 4 Pentacles, this is what you want and you won't let go. You won't let go of this person. Okay? If this is something to do with your past, Kasi ito yung ex mo. Kasi this something na hindi mo ma-let go. But I think God is saying na you should reconsider. Hindi masama itong naiisip mo dahil tingin mo siya yung tunay mong kaligayahan at you feel financially secure with this person kasi nga magaling siya sa pera, may kaya tong person mo, kaya hindi ka maka-let go agad kasi for practical reasons. But you have to think again, ito ba yung tama para sa akin? Kasi sa ngayon, with the 5 of Wands, there is conflict. May kaguluhan. And you are experiencing something na nagkukos sa'yo ng trouble with this relationship. And that is why you are thinking, trying to make the decision. No? Try to see kung ano na bang next move. Because eventually, there will be an offer of love. An offer of new love coming into your life. Pero hindi ka sure dito. Hindi mo pa pinapansin. Hindi mo pa siya binibigyan ng importansya. You're still very defensive, no? Protective of your past relationship. But where in fact you should be thinking of a new beginning, no? With the Ace of Wands. Bagong pag-uumpisa na inaalay sa iyo ni God, no? Binibigay sa iyo. Yun yung dapat mong isipin. Yan, tignan natin, bakit andito yung 5 of Wands? At andito yung 5 of Wands. We have the Knight of Cups, the Death, and the 2 of Wands. Bottom niya is the 9 of Wands. Okay, so Scorpio, talagang nakakapagod, no? Nakakapagod na maging very protective of this relationship. Kung gabak ang gusto mo is magkaroon na ng katapusan o magkaroon ng pagbabago, yung cycle na iniikutan nyo ngayon ng person mo at magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Okay? Now, ang gusto mo is somebody na talagang very stable with the Queen of Pentacles. This is an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. You want somebody na talagang stable and secure. Yun yung hinahanap mo sa panibagong pag-uumpisa. Now, itong nangyayari na kaguluhan ngayon na sabi ko, maybe it's something to do with the love offer. Kasi yung offer of love na natanggap mo before, ito nangyayari. Death card, which is you, your energy, Scorpio. Parang biglang nawala, no? It sort of ended. Kaya parang nag-iisip ka, no? You are thinking and trying to make the decision. Kasi nawala eh. Yung offer of love na naramdaman mo dati noon, and biglang nawala. Yung dati, kung gaba sinasabi niya na, okay, ganito tayo, mahal kita, and then naging kayo, but eventually, parang it died down. Parang biglang humihingi ng pagbabago o nagkaroon ng pagbabago yung relationship nyo. Kaya ikaw ay naguguluhan at nag-iisip ngayon na ano na ang mangyayari sa aming dalawa. Bakit biglang nawala o parang alam mo biglang naglaho yung pakiramdam ng person mo o ikaw, take it as it resonates. Itong love na to, parang yung love natin before, biglang naglaho, biglang namatay, biglang wala ng buhay. Hindi na yung dati. Kaya, bakit andito yung 2 of Swords? We have the Hermit, the Ten of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Bottom niya is the Queen of Cups. Alam mo, iniisip mo talaga mabuti kasi mahal mo yung tao, no? You love the person. But you are thinking very hard. You're trying to make this decision, Scorpio. Kaya ikaw yung nag-iisip mabuti, no? With the Hermit card, energy coming from a Virgo. Kasi nagiging burden na para sa'yo itong pag-iisip na to at itong nararamdaman mo, no? Itong relationship, yung takbo ng relationship, nagiging burden na, mabigat na sa kalooban, mabigat na sa pag-iisip, mabigat na sa iyong damdamin. Kaya kung gaba kahit na sa iyong pagtulog, pinag-iisipan mo mabuti ito. Kung ano na ang gagawin mo, kung ano na ang next step, kung ano na yung dapat na desisyon, yung tamang desisyon for this. Kasi nga, may offer of love naman, no? Bakit andito yung Four of Cups? We have the Queen of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and the World, again. So, again, the Nine of Wands, no? Because you're tired. Ayaw mo na, no? You're getting tired of waiting, of protecting this relationship. And sa ngayon, no, with the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, pareho to. Isip na ang ginagamit, hindi na yung damdamin. Pinag-iisipan mo na talaga mabuti na gusto mo nang magkaroon ng pagtatapos itong relationship na to para magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. Because you know, no, itong tatlong cups na to, yung dating love na to, parang wala na nangyayari. May dadating na love, pero hindi mo pinapansin. Yun nga yung dapat mong bigyan ng panahon. Bakit andito yung Seven of Wands? We have the Four of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Devil. Bottom niya is the Knight of Pentacles. Mabagal kasi itong nangyayari sa inyo, no? I mean, hindi madali. Matagal na to. Kaya, very protective ka pa rin. Kasi gusto mo talaga na siya na yung the one, trying to make that, yung kumbaga ba yung solid foundation ng relationship. Kasi alam mo siya na yon. Pero nag-iintay ka pa rin na may magkaroon ng pagbabago. But things are not changing. Nas nagiging toxic pa yung nangyayari. Kaya nga, kahit na defensive ka, pero alam mo, Scorpio, na nagiging toxic na to. And this is an energy coming from a Capricorn. Toxic na siya. Kahit na gusto mo siya, yung relationship na, alam mo, ito na yon. But things are not really fulfilling, no, as you like. But andito yung Ace of Wands. We have the Seven of Cups, the Three of Cups, and the Page of Wands. Bottom niya is the Knight of Swords. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, this Knight, gusto niya maging mabilis. Gusto mo maging mabilis yung takbo. This new beginning, dumating na sana. Sa totoo lang, you have a lot of choices, no? Marami kang pwedeng pagpilian. You have a choice to be happy. You know, to meet the right person. Na makatanggap ka ng something passionate in terms of messages. No, iparating sa'yo na talagang this time, iba na tong person na to na mamimit mo. But you have to trust, no? Magtiwala ka na this time, ito na yon. This time, God is giving you the right person. Isipin mo na kung bakit you have to go through itong pains na to. And you need to release the excess for you. Kasi, kung gabay, you've learned the lesson, natutunan mo na to. And it's time for you to move forward. No? It's time for you to meet another one na talagang this time, mas okay. Kaya, kung gaba parang, okay, natutunan mo yung lesson, but you also need to learn how to leave your ex behind. Alam ko hindi madaling kalimutan ng ex, pero isa pa rin yun sa mga dapat mong matutunan. Paano siya kalimutan para makamove forward ka. Okay? Yung may mamimit bang bagong tao? Again, Ace of Wands. Yes, may mamimit ka. There is a new beginning for you, Scorpio. Mangyayari ba to this year? Yung new person na makikilala niya? Yes. Kailangan mo lang maging courageous about facing this person. This might be a Leo, no? Yung person na may meet mo might have a Leo sa kanyang chart. Maging malakas lang ang loob mo. Ito na ba yung magbibigay ng tunay na kaligayahan? Ito na ba yung magbibigay ng tunay na kaligayahan? Yes. Wish fulfillment mo to, Scorpio. Pag dumating itong person na to, kaya dapat lang bigyan mo siya ng panahon. Magtiwala ka na dadating siya. Magtiwala ka na this one is really meant for you. Ano pa yung message na gusto mo sabihin kay Scorpio? It says here, open your heart. Love is the highest energy of all. Let it in. Yes. Open your heart, Scorpio. Love language niya is gift-giving. Okay, so token of reciprocity holds cherished memories. So, mahilig siya magbigay ng regalo. And forever young. A song of youthful playfulness. So, pakiramdam mo dito sa person na to, parang palagi kayong masayahin, bata. Alam mo yung talagang as if you will never grow old with this person. I mean, hindi naman yung not growing old talaga, but yung pakiramdam mo na lagi kang youthful, parang feeling mo batang-bata kapag dating dito sa tao na to. You have so much energy to give, so much love to give to this person na masaya yung energy. Okay? Hindi siya yung feeling na old o parang wala ng enerhiya o kupas na, but laging punong-puno ito ng vitality. That's how I could feel itong sinasabi dito ni Angel and ni God sa'yo. So, this is something very positive, Scorpio. You might like to consider this na kaya nga sinasabi, forget your ex. No? Release that already. And focus on this person coming into your life. And trust God na ito na, this is the one for you. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa Scorpio. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa nito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.